Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain the basic functionality, what is list in Business Central, what is card, what is fact box, and what is action area. So let's go to Business Central and check this. Okay, let's go to our main page. Okay, let's go back. So here is my World Center. First thing that I want to explain what is list. So let's go to the customer. So this is an example of the list. Here I have a list of my customers. And basically in Business Central, all the data is organized like that. So we have a list of customers, we have a list of vendors, we have a list of items, we have a list of sales orders. So let's go here just for you to check. This is my list of vendor, but in this case I'm not showing as list, but you can go here and change, so you can see the concept is the same. Let's go back here, go to the items, and basically is the same. You have here the list of items. Go back, we have the bank account, and the concept here is the same. Here's my list of banks. We have the chart of account. If I go here, I will have the same. This is my list of GL account. Okay, this is the list. So let's go here and explain a little bit what is the cart now, right? So here, let's go to the customer. And then this is my list of customers. And then if I click in this customer, I can access the card. So here in the card, I have all the information that I need for my customers. So you can see here that in the general, I have the number of my customer, the name, and also I have some data like what is the total sales for this customer, what is the cost, and in this case here, my balance is 0. That means that I don't have anything open for this customer. That is really good. It's an excellent customer, right? And if I click here, I can see what was the sales for this customer, and you can see here all the data. And probably I don't have anything open for this customer, right? Because we saw that everything that we don't have anything open, and this reflects here. Okay, so this is the card. The idea here is to show the card. So in the card in Business Center, you have all the relevant data, and also you can check here what is open for this customer. In this case, is 0, but if we move and go to another customer, we can check this if he have something open. So let's see, let's check if we have here. Okay, we have the balance, and in this case I have something open for this customer, so we can go through and you can check here the balance and see what is open for this customer. Okay, this is the concept of the card. So here we have other information like the posting group that we will use to post the invoice for this customer. I will also the tax setup, what is the payment method and term that I will use here, and also the shipping option. Okay, but basically this is the concept of a cart in Business Center. Other thing that I want to explain is the fact box, how this works. So let's take one customer, for example, in this case, this customer. So you can see here that you have the calculate data that we call in Business Center fact box. So I am in this customer. If I move to another customer, for example, you can see that the data change. So I can check here what is the balance for this customer, and what was the outstanding invoice, outstanding orders, what was the payment, what was the last payment received, and then you can see this data. And if you want to check, for example, here you can see that we have overdue amount. So if you want to check what is this value, you just have to click and you access the data. And you can see here the filter that I am using for that. Okay, this is the fact box. Let me see if I forget anything. Oh, okay, action area. So let's go here and check what is the action area. So I will go back to the whole center and I will select, for example, I will go to the sales order. So let's go here. Yeah, we can go here. Actually, I will not create a sales order, but I want to access the list of sales orders. Okay, so I need to search because I don't want to. Okay, okay. This is my sales order. What I can do here, maybe here is an open sales order, and the idea is to show you not an open sales order, but go and check if I have any sales order open. I think I can check this here. Sales order, I have 4, so I can go here and check my list of sales orders, and then what I can do here is let's open one document just to check this. So this is my sales order, and basically this is my action area. So I am here in the home, and the home, what I can do in terms of processes, I can post with these options. I can release the order, I can create a warehouse shipment, and I can create an inventory put away. If I go here to prepare, I have these options. If I go to print send, this will be my options. And if I go to request approval, order, and report. So my options change based in my action area. And also here, just as explanation, usually in a document in Business Central, you have the header and the line. In this case here, the general is part of my header, you can see here, and then and basically in the header you select the customer. In this case it's a sales order, and if you go to the line you select the item or the service. And also here I have other areas like the invoice details, the shipping and billing, the foreign trade, and the prepayment. Okay, this is for today. If you have any question, please add your comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you.